Hello and welcome to the course. I'm so glad you're with us. Hi, I'm Steve Ballinger. I'm the creator and instructor for the course. And course is perfect if you do not have a YouTube channel yet or you've never uploaded a video to YouTube in your life. This course is going to help you go from zero all the way to YouTube success. It's also great if you have a channel and you want to improve. Things will go even a little faster for you, but you'll learn a lot of best practices and tips and things along the way to help you improve your channel. So I've designed the course to be a 5-day challenge. So you could go from zero, and at the end of 5 days, you'll have a full YouTube channel with a video uploaded to it. One video upload to it will be our goal for this course. Now you can adapt that too. If you need a little extra time, whatever, make it a 7-day challenge. No big deal. But we'll be set up as a 5-day challenge. So let's take a look at a quick overview of the different sections coming up in the course. First thing we're going to do, like on day one, we're going to start planning out our channel. What do we want? Maybe we want from a name, goal, how can we make money with our channel? We'll do some competitive research, all that as far as kind of getting ready, with our channel and that planning. And then we're going to actually step by step create our channel. You're going to create your own channel, some best practices, layout, images, all that stuff. So at the end of that section, that day two, you'll have a channel live on YouTube. Then we get into what for many people could be a little bit more challenging, which is the filming and editing part. So no worries, we're going to walk you right through how to film videos, the different ways that you can film videos, ideas of videos you might want to do or could do for the challenge, planning them out. What kind of equipment do you need? How do you set it up? How do you use it? Lighting, all that stuff, camera, audio, all that, and then hitting that record button. So we'll have some raw video that we're then going to edit in day 4, where we're going to learn about editing software. There's free software out there that's very good, and there's some paid software. I'll tell you all about the different ones. And then I'll walk you through step by step as I edit a video so you can see exactly how to edit a video. And I'll share some tips and tricks along the way. And then lastly, we'll upload our video to YouTube, right? And we're going to give it a real effective title and thumbnail so people will look at our video and convert and click and watch it. We'll learn about keywords and how to make it more searchable, plus some time savers along the way as well. And again, this is set up as 5 days, but if you want to change it to maybe more of a 7-day challenge because you want to spend a little extra time on filming and editing or whatever part, that's okay. Just stick to the plan and you'll get to the end at the end. If you just follow kind of along the way, you'll get to the end, whether it takes 5 days or 7 days, however long it takes you to get there, you're going to be a winner by getting there to the end. In addition, from possibly going from nothing to having a video live on YouTube on your own channel, we also include a bonus section around YouTube analytics. We're going to look at individual video analytics and entire channel analytics so you can really kind of analyze your what's working in terms of your videos, what videos might be resonating with your audience, and what's working, maybe what's not working. And one key thing of all this is it's all part of your overall business. We're treating this as not a hobby. This is your business. You want to be able to make money and leveraging YouTube to help you succeed in your business. Now, some people do that by just what's called YouTube monetization, right? You've seen the ads that pop up in front of videos, right? Like here's an example from Shopify. You skip the ad. If they don't skip the ad, you get paid a small little amount once you qualify for YouTube monetization. But another way that people make money is by offering a product or service, and YouTube helps promote that product or service. For example, Dollar Shave Club, they have YouTube videos on how to shave or why it's important to moisturize after shaving. But their goal is not to get monetized from YouTube. Their goal is to sell razors and shaving products. So they're selling a product. That's their whole goal with YouTube. That might be your goal. Or maybe you're a coach or somebody who offers training or some type of service versus a product you're offering a service, like Amy Porterfield. She offers she's a big, strong marketing expert, online business coach. She offers courses and online business coaching, and she does coaching for people. And the thing about Amy is extremely successful, but she only has 18,000 subscribers, which is good on YouTube. But when I looked at her thing, I was surprised. I thought she'd have over 1 million because that's her strength. But it just goes to show that you don't have to have a big channel to be successful. You don't have to have a big channel at all. It's just linking to whatever might be your product or service, for example. So for me, for example, I have a YouTube channel, Investing Education with Mr. B. I teach investing courses here on Udemy and on my own website. So I might have a YouTube video, and I do have a YouTube video, like my top 5 investing mistakes, so you can avoid them, right? But the whole goal is not necessarily that people are watching that video. I want them to watch the video. My goal is they'll click through and get maybe my free investing in stock course or free or sign up for my courses on my website. That's the goal of my YouTube channel, is to promote my online courses. So think about your business. Are you promoting a product, a service, Or are you looking to monetize through YouTube? And we have a lesson actually coming up on 7 ways you can make money on YouTube. So that might be interesting because there might be some ways that you can make money by leveraging YouTube that you haven't even thought of yet. So that video is coming up. Plus we have some really good quick things as far as how to succeed. So again, the whole course is designed to take you from nothing all the way to success. If you're just starting out, this is great for you. You're going to be real successful on this. And if you have a channel, this is great too, because you're going to be even better with your channel is the goal of this course. So let's dive in and get started.